Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang $1 ng Barbados, mayroong taon na 2000. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang kanyang napakagandang history at saka impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Barbados. At ito yung kanyang historical information guys. The Barbadian $1 coin from year 2000 is a notable piece in the island of numismatic history. The design and specification from the obverse features the National Coat of Arms of Barbados. So ito yun guys, ang ating obverse, ang National Coat of Arms of Barbados, showcasing the island's heritage. At dito naman tayo sa kanyang likuran o reverse. Ang ating reverse guys, mayroong nakasulat na $1 at saka yung flying fish. Reverse depicts a flying fish, a symbol closely associated with the Barbados with the denomination inscribed below. So kanyang composition ito guys ay made of copper nickel. Meron siya 75% na copper at 25% ng kanyang nickel. At meron siyang timbang na 6.32 grams. At ang diameter naman ay 25.85 mm. Meron siyang shape na equilateral curve, 7-sided. Ang edge naman ito ay mild. This coin was part of the series minted between 1988 and year 2005 during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. And the collectible value, the value of 2000 Barbadian $1 coins varies based on its condition and the current market demand. Circulated condition typically range from the approximately 1.25 US dollar to 6 euros. Uncirculated condition, coins in mint or near mint condition can command higher prices, especially among the collectors seeking first-time example. It's important to note that the actual value can fluctuate based on factors such as rarity, demand, and the coin's condition. For the most accurate and current valuation, consulting a reputable coin dealer or the numismatic expert is recommended. Additionally, the online platform like eBay often have listing into the recent sale price and availability. For more information, you can refer to Numista catalog entry to $1 coin. So yun guys, ang napakaganda namang explanation, ang kanyang impormasyon tungkol dito sa ating barya ng Barbados at mayroong taon na year 2000. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.